What has a fixed 30mm field of view, a fixed f10 aperture, and a fixed 1/100th of a second shutter speed? When is composition undeniably king? The ultimate introduction to street photography. The disposable 35mm film camera. In 1997, I found myself immersed in an entirely different culture. Everywhere I looked, there were sights, sounds, and sensations that were alien to my central nervous system. I found a cheap, simple fix for my overwhelmed sensory system, the disposable camera. Film was at its zenith, and disposable cameras were everywhere in South Korea. There's something mesmerizing to me about the photos I took in those early days of being abroad. I was not beholden to a particular film. Disposable cameras were available from all the popular film companies, so there was a wide variety of options. Various speeds of film, various color profiles, amazing, character-infusing plastic lenses. It's difficult now to imagine being a photographer without owning a camera. But for a brief moment, the tool took a back seat to the process, and in that moment, a king of composition was crowned, the disposable film camera.